my channel. It's your girl Bouncy XL coming to you with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get these luscious, voluminous, some beautiful curls on your hair. Deets on this hair real quick. This hair is from AliPearl hair. I love it so much. It only cost me like $150 for 3 bundles or something like that. 3 bundles in a closure, and they were really fast with shipping, like super fast. How do you guys like this curl? And I've had this hair for 2 months and it's still super cute and adorable. If you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. First things first, I gotta brush out my hair, detangle it basically, and I'm gonna use this brush right here. Alright, so where my part is, right here, I want it to like really lay down, because you see it's like a little bit bumpy up there. So I'm going to take some water, this is just regular water, and I'm going to spray that area. And I'm going to take my bristle brush and just brush it down. I'm going to take my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. Comes in a like red bottle like this, and I'm gonna just spray it all over my hair. Now it's for the fun part. We're gonna start curling. I like to do it section by section, so I'm gonna do this side of my hair first and then this side after. I'm gonna put in a ponytail so that it kind of helps flatten that top area for me. So I'm gonna pull it in real nice and snug. And then for this section, I'm gonna split it in half, so like a top portion and a bottom portion. So I'm gonna take this small piece right here, clip this out of the way as well, and take the curling wand, face it down, and I'm going to wrap it from the top of the barrel and then bring it down. And while I'm doing that, I'm also twisting the hair while it's going around it. Woo. I just broke myself a little bit. Be careful. Usually these comes with gloves, but I lost my gloves. We're gonna hold it for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. That curl's hot. And that is the curl. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna send that back, and I'm just gonna go section by section. I'm probably gonna speed this up a little bit. This last section, since it's close to my face, I'm not gonna bring the curl too high up. I'm just gonna do it a little bit down, and I'm just going to roll it backwards as well. Because I don't want it to be too bulky on that top portion, because I want that part to lay flat. Okay, so this is one side done. Look at them, they're so pretty. So let's do the other side. But look at how luxurious and curly. And then I like the variation of curls and the levels and layers. And yeah, look at it, it's so pretty. All right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna brush it out with my paddling brush. I mean, you can definitely leave it like this and call it a day, but I'm definitely gonna brush out. These are so freaking pretty. Let me play with the back. And they're so soft. If you want, you could add some shine to it, but my heat protectant has like it has marula oil in it, so it makes it super shiny when you're like curling your hair and stuff and putting heat on it or straightening it, so it adds a little shine to it, so I don't have to put extra shine. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer to the hair. There it is. Really nice. So thank you so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed watching my video and you like how this came out. Also hit the subscribe button. It's either on this side or this side. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.